Hi everyone. Today I'm talking about the probability chances. All of you listen to radio every day. When you listen to radio, you will hear that tomorrow will be rain, 100% or 50% or 25% chance of getting rain or hail. Then you have to take a decision whether you want to go to work or stay home because it is too risky. Now, what does that mean to you? That is probability. Also, you are going to buy a lottery. Then you think you're going to win lottery 100%. No, because everyone buy lottery. There's a very less chance of winning lottery because probability is very less depending on the amount of the lottery and number of winning times, and you will decide what is the population they're going to buy lottery. And those thing in your brain now make a decision. Then this probability will help you to win a lottery or make a decision daily basis. And this is very important topic. Now I'm going to talk about more. Probability is a branch of mathematics concerning numerical description of how likely an event. I make this one a little bit bigger. You will see more. Then it will be an event that can be happen 0 to 1. The probability of an event is a number between 0 to 1, where roughly speaking, 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates uncertainty. Then these two numbers are very critical. And when you define or make a decision, getting a chance is between 0 to 1. The higher probability of event, more likely is that event will occur. That's when it's sitting with here, say 0.9. And you are pretty sure that host or the student going to win the game. Now, for your exam, how hard you work at home, it will decide whether you will fail or get an A+. Now, you have to take a decision now. How hard are you going to work? That is, it depends on the probability of your winning. Now I clear this one. Now, next one, simple example, tossing a fair coin. Coin has two sides, head or tail. Then definitely you will get head or either tail. Now that is we call fair chances. Both are equal probable. Probability of heads equal probability of the tails. Since no other outcomes are possible, probability of either heads or tail, half, or 0.5 or 50%. Tossing a coin is easy. If I plot this one into a probability tree, it has two branches. Either you get head or either you get tail. The probability is 1/2. This is 1/2. We can write as 0.5 or 50%. Now 50% is this number. Now what is this one? This is chances versus percentage. Impossible means 0%, and even chance means 50%, certain mean 100%. Now you learn about tossing a coin. Now we learn a little bit more. It says if two events have same chance of occurring, when we say it is equal likely, they will occur. The fair coin or die is one of more outcomes are equal. For likely, for example, fair coin has an equal chance of landing heads or tails up. Is not bias being heavier on the other? Now, see, go for this one. This is the die. It has fair chance. Now, I get the pencil. Now see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you tell I want to get number 1, it will be 1/6. Now 1/6, what is the percentage? 1 divided by 6. 0, 1, take 0 here, decimal, 1, 6, 10 over 6 minus is 4, 40, 40 divided by 6, 6, 36, 4 left, again 40, 6. Now it is actually, if you write as decimal point, it's 1, 6. We round up 7. Or if it is percentage, you multiply by 100, that is 6.7%. Now if you go to 16.71, if you go to this this chart, now I clear this one. 16.7 sitting with this range. Now it is unlikely because it's less chance. Now go to the next page. Now this is a card pack. How many card packs? How many cards are in the card pack? Now there are 2 colors, black and red, and 4 types of cards. Clubs. There are A to 10, 10 cards, Jack, Queen, King. Then 13 cards. A and 9 numbers plus other 3 color cards. Then 13 cards. Go to Ace. There are 13 cards. Likewise, Heart and Diamond. Altogether 52 cards. Now if you want to play a game, you said I want to get a black card out of the card pack. Now it is 26 card. 26 divided by 50. Now 52. Then that is half. That is 50%. Getting a black card or red card has an equal chance, 50%. Now I clear this one. Now if you want to get number 2, any color, there are 4 cards. 4 card divided by 52 card. That means 1, 52 divided by 4 is 13. 1 over 13. Now what is the probability? You divide by 13. Then 1, 0, 100. 100 is roughly 7. 7 by 3, 21. 2 left, 91. Then 9. Yeah, it is around 7%. If you go to this chart, %, sitting with very less. It is close to impossible now, but it's less chance, unlikely. Now, likewise, you have learned getting a number from the die and getting a card from card pack and tossing a coin. Now we're going to do another game, that is getting a ball from jug. Now there are 4 colors of this jug, the balls. Now we see how many green balls. Green balls, we said 8 balls. Red balls, we said 12 balls. And blue balls, 20. Now we have green, red, and we have to get yellow. Yellow, we have 10 balls. 8 plus 12, 20, 40, and 50. There are 50 balls. Now we do a game. We ask someone to pick a ball, green ball. But he get maybe red ball. He get maybe yellow ball. Then getting a green ball is, there are 8 balls. You may get a chance to get 8 out of 50. Then probability will be for the green 8 divided by 50. Then make it percentage is so easy because 50 to 100 is 2. Then multiply by 100. 1, 2. That is 16%. Now see that 16% sitting it is in this range. That is unlikely. And I'm going to do next session. That is, I clear this one. I clear all this. Give me 1 minute. Now we are going to do a question that is tossing a coin, landing heads. You have to match up with this right-hand side answers. Now, first one is very easy. We already did that. If you toss a coin, it will get head or tail. Now, I draw a tree of probability that is head over tail. Now it is 50%, 1/2, 1/2. That is even chances. Then answer is D. Selecting an ace from fair deck 52 cards. Aces there are black cards, then 13 cards. If I show that, now 13 cards, aces. These are the aces. Then how many cards? There are 13 cards. Right? Now 13 cards. Now we go to the question again. First answer was this one, A. That is sorry. Toss coin heads up, even chance, that is D. And next one is getting a card of 52 aces, that 13 out of 52. That is 1/4. 1/4 is 25%. That is sitting with this range. Unlikely. Then unlikely mean A. D and A. Then next one, obtain number other than 6 of fair 6-sided die. That's mean you have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But you can't get 6. Then how many cards? How many sides? 5. That's answer will be 5/6. That is percentage wise 0, 0, 5, 0.8, 48, 2, 20 mean 3, 0.83. 0.83 multiplied by 100% is 83%. That's very high percentage. As I told you, if you get more than 50 to between 50 and 100, you have likely chance. And likely is answer B. Now, so easy now, because you learn tossing a coin, you learn throwing a die, and getting a card out of the card pack. Now, so far, so easy. And what you need to practice it. Now, next one, obtain number greater than 8 of 6-sided die. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no 8 here. Then what is the chance? It is 0 chance. The 0/6. That is 0%. That is impossible. Now, answer is C. I think you enjoy the probability and do more math questions.